Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through curve stitching so that you can get some practice watching me do it. So the first thing I want to show you is how to do it. The first thing you want to do is make straight lines. I'm making a 90-degree angle, but it can be any angle you want. And when you make the lines, you then have to make equally distanced segments. I have 7 and 7. And then I have the angle right here. You go connect, 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 connect. Top to the bottom, and then you go 1 over, 1 over, 1 over, 1 over. And there's how you define your line. Now there are other ways to do this also where you use different shapes. So we can use, you can use a hexagon, and by creating these triangles you can now do all your angles right out from here. Here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, 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 here. That's how you get different types of shapes. And here's some other good examples. This one's a hexagon. This one is a square with different angles inside. This is a circle with turns into a heart. You have a lot of different options. You can even do it this way and only do the hexagon in 2 corners and create a flower. So you're supposed to be creating a picture, a visualization using curve stitching. There are examples hanging up in the classroom. Why are we doing it? This is a great project. It's an artistic project, but it also shows you the connection between the measurements of lines and geometric shapes and how it applies. I use this video when I'm showing how lines can be curves. So if you look at, that's really the definition of um, the ways you find different things in space-time, the way you find the curvature of the Earth, how objects float through Earth. Show you these, how light even bends is just the same idea. Not just that there are geodesics in the world, which is flat lines on curved surfaces, but you can also see how light reflects in curved lines. So it's a straight line in space, but it curves. So that's what curve stitching is really showing us. How to use straight lines to also curve. That also curve, and that is all part of going through this process. So we also have our website. So if you go to your Google Classroom and you go over here and you click on classwork, you can get the full rubric by clicking on classwork. Go over to the left side over here, it's project, and then you click on the rubric. Here's another example video, bunch more videos, and then the rubric right here. These are due November 17th, the last day when grades close, and we will be spending more time together, but when they're done, I'm going to be collecting these. There's also a way to do it digitally, as I showed you in class and as I showed you on Remote Monday. So there are a lot of options for getting this done. You have no excuse, we still have a lot of time, but there is no new lesson other than finishing your project for right now and get through this project, and it's due the very last day of the term.